guys, what's up? It's me, Regular, back with a new video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an intro very easily. I did get asked this question, so basically what you want to do is go to Clipmaker, like on this video. And on the side, there's some intros, and you want to pick the one you guys like. And you want to get to the loading screen. Now, what you want to do is hit that I and the play button to play the intro. It's pretty nice. I think this one looks a little better, so I'm gonna check this one out. Press the I again and the play button. So we're gonna pause it. What you wanna do is gonna go to that little box, look for the group that says text, and you wanna rename it to your name. Alright, once you do that, you can and yeah, it's really nice. Now, if you want to download it, you can go down here. You have different quality and formats. It's pretty nice. And yeah, so you can basically download the video. Now, if you guys don't like the intros on the side, what you can do is go down to more creations, and you can basically check out all the intros. Like, there's so many, there's like pages of intro, and yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, you can check all these intros out. They're pretty cool. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Reckler signing out.